Yeah. Make sure you pop the yolks.
Oh my God.
You're getting ahead of me. I'm teaching you. Hey guys, welcome back to the Pretty Basic channel. I'm Remi.
I'm Alisha.
Today we are going to be doing the blindfolded cooking challenge where...
Should we rock, paper, scissors? Who's blindfolded?
Okay. Rock, paper, scissors, shoot.
Oh!
What the fuck was that?
Rock, paper, scissors, shoot!
So I just won. So this one's gonna be blindfolded and I'm going to walk her through one of my favorite recipes. Do you have any ideas on what we're making today?
It looks like a healthy fried chicken.
Ooh.
Baked chicken?
Yes, kind of. It's actually coconut chicken tenders.
Oh.
You can do this with shrimp if you'd like. It's delicious. We're gonna use an air fryer. We're gonna be doing the breading process. I did already measure out the flour and the, you know, crummy topping because I didn't want to clean that up later when she missed the bowl. So let's blindfold her.
Yay.
Squish your lashes. Oh, perfect. Okay.
Oh yeah, this is
good?
good. Yeah, you can do it tight.
Is that good?
Yep.
Okay. Woo! Okay. First we have to begin. Here you go. Keep it going, keep it going, keep it going. And that's good. And now we're, yep. Now we're going to accordion it. Yes, great job. Yes. Oh. Oh, okay, we lost it. Okay. Okay, you're gonna put this down on the plate that I have. Yes, perfect. I really wanna help you.
No, I got it.
This is our chicken, our boneless, skinless chicken tenderloins. We're going to open it up. Perfect!
There's no knives on the thing, right?
No, you're good. I'm gonna move that. We're gonna make 2 for everyone, so you're gonna take 8 and put it on this plate. Yes, wow. 1, 2. These are some big tenderloins. Yep, 6. 2 more. 7, 8. Good job! Okay, you kind of put them in a mound, so try and flatten them out. Great job. Feel around. Yes, yep. There you go. Okay,
is
now.
That good?
Yes, perfect.
Okay.
You're gonna take your overlap of your paper towels on the edges and fold it over in the middle. Yes, and pat them dry. It helps to make the thing stick a bit better.
I get it.
Okay, that's great. Now you're gonna wash your hands. You stay here. I'll bring you soap. Ew, don't touch anything.
Sorry. Happy birthday.
Paper towel. Great job. There's chicken remnants in my sink. I'll sanitize that later.
Ew, really?
Okay, now we've got our breading station. Good job. You're making fried chicken. How do you bread it?
Oh. I need to do this.
She didn't answer my question, but yes.
Yeah, you do the egg and then you go back and forth, back and forth.
Okay. Thank you. Thank you.
Do I use this to stir it?
You're not letting me teach you. Okay. Your spoon is in the eggs because I don't have any forks. Yeah. Make sure you pop the
Do you have a
yolks.
whisk?
Oh, I do have a whisk. There you go. What a good idea. Yeah. I'm whisking. I'll take. I'm trying to do as little dishes as possible.
I'll clean.
Good job. Look at that wrist action. Let's get a close up. She's done this before. We're gonna be here for a little while.
No?
Not yet. Yeah, maybe at like a 9 o'clock.
What?
9 o'clock? Yeah, in the 9 o'clock area.
Like a full circle?
No, but
Oh,
that's okay.
This area.
There we go. Yes. Okay, maybe now 3 o'clock. Yes. A little bit of like a 10. Yes. Okay, that looks great.
Really?
Yeah, looks really good.
Okay.
It'd be a delicious omelet. Okay, I'm taking this from you.
Okay.
So now what we need to do.
Where's the chicken?
You're getting ahead of me. I'm teaching you. Okay, we are going to season our breadcrumb. I'm gonna give you the salt and you're gonna salt the crumbs.
Oh, my hands are gross again.
Okay, then wash them. To the left. Perfect. Good job. Soap. There you go. Also, I didn't even mention, this is coconut flour, finely milled coconut flour. You can use all-purpose.
I thought it was almond flour.
You can do almond flour. I like coconut because it's really fine and it obviously like keeps the coconutty flavor. We've got our eggs and then we've got our dried coconut. Why is your hand up? Are you okay?
I was ready for the seasoning.
She's excited to season. Dried unsweetened coconut. Make sure you do unsweetened. And now we're gonna season this so it like sticks to the outside. Okay, back to our salt. Here's our salt grinder. Oh, okay, yep. Yep, okay, that's good, Not too much. And same with the pepper. Yep. Whatever you feel is good. Stop when you feel.
Why is it like a duck?
Quack, quack. Okay, that's a lot of pepper. Okay.
Oh, I smell it.
We got some garlic powder. Just whatever the heart feels. Good job. We're actually out, so that was, we ended it. Onion powder.
Oh my God.
This is not even gonna be edible.
I smell that.
I taste it. Paprika, please be careful.
Is this open?
Yeah, it's open.
But there's like, okay.
Is that how you feel?
I'm scared.
Okay, that's good.
I didn't want to do too much. She said not to do too much.
Okay, now you're gonna mix all of this together. Your spoon, here you go. There you go. Yeah.
You gotta get the mess over.
It smells great, honestly.
It's really good.
Why do I feel like these are gonna be the best?
I'm glad someone feels like that. We're going to now do our breading station. So you've got your chicken tenders are at 12 o'clock above your flour. You're gonna, I'll move you over here. Okay, yes.
Flour?
That's in the middle, now to the very left. One more, that's your flour.
Flour.
Okay, so you're gonna take your chicken tender. Yes, take an individual. Thank you. Flour first.
That's where I always mess up, guys.
Really press it in, make sure it's nice and, sticky. Take it out, dust off the excess, and you're gonna move to the middle where you've got your egg. Yes, good job.
And then back.
And then to the right, you're gonna go to your coconut.
Oh, I've only ever done 2.
Yep.
Wait, so is that it?
That's it. Let me get your...
Aren't you supposed to do like back and forth and back and forth?
I mean, you can, but this is like a little healthier, so like you don't need as much breading, but you can do that if you want. Okay, now go to the right. You're gonna put it, perfect, on the air fryer tray. Perfect!
Flour. We're gonna put the flour on the chicken and dust it off, bring it to the eggs.
With the apron, it's so much better. Good job. This is coconut onion chicken.
Honestly, I feel like they're gonna be fire.
Yeah, I think they will. You really can't mess this up. It's an easy recipe. Again, you can do shrimp, you can do tofu.
So anytime you do like a batter type thing, this is what you do?
You usually do like a flour and then an egg, and then you can either do like panko breadcrumbs, you can make a batter if you want to do batter. You got 3 more.
Should we do?
Oh god.
Going crazy!
You're killing it, wow.
Thank you so much. I'm really trying.
They look better than when I have vision.
We need to do this where we switch, where I don't clean and you're like freaking out. You're gonna be like, did you put it in the sink? I'm like, yeah, and it'll still be there. You're like, no, you didn't.
I can feel it.
We should do a video where we clean each other's house.
No, thank you. I'm okay. That looks great.
I love like a lot of like batter.
You're like one of those little kids, you know, like the big thing right now is the sensory bin kind of thing. Yes. This is what you're doing right now. It's, you know what, it smells oniony, but it smells good.
Maybe they're onion flavored.
They are. Crunchy onion chicken. Maybe you came up with a new recipe.
Bitch, I'm telling you. Alisha Nugs.
Now you're gonna throw in a cup of onion powder. I know it sounds like a lot, but
the process.
it is. I don't know if, I think there's too many buttons, so I'll throw them in the air fryer at 350 for like 15 minutes, and then we'll check on them. You can flip them halfway through too. Actually, you know what I will do before we throw them in? I guess I should have you do it, but I'll just do this.
I can do it. What?
The mess. I can't wait for you to see. I'm gonna hand you the Sprite oil. You're gonna spray the tops of them. Okay, I'm gonna, yes, right? No. Right there, yeah. Just lightly spray them. They'll get a little crispier. Oh, maybe a little bit to the left too. Okay, up and to the top left. There you go, perfect, okay. Now I'm gonna cook them and clean this countertop.
I'll clean. Do you wanna save any of this?
No.
Wait, is this the only thing to pick up?
Yeah, I cleaned up everything else already. Almost, so close.
Whoa, your soap smells so good.
It's green apple. Why are you so good at this?
Am I? Oh my god. Where do I put this? Oh. How's my makeup?
You look beautiful. You want to see what you created?
I do.
Without your vision.
You
too.
helped a lot though. Because
Thank
I would have
you.
burnt that shit. I would have been like, I think it's at 5 minutes and it's at an hour.
Okay, ready?
Yeah.
3, 2, 1. Woo!
Shut up. Whoa.
Ready?
Guys, this looks gourmet.
Cheers. 1, 2, 3.
I didn't touch. It was like,
It was kind of limp. It was a little flaccid. 1, 2, 3.
Onions.
Mmm. Mmm. Really good.
I love it.
Mmm.
Also,
It's flavored well.
Are you a scooper with ketchup or are you a dipper?
I'm a dipper.
I'm a scooper.
Overall, you killed it.
Honestly? Wow.
Good snack. I rate these.
Wow.
These are just as good, if not better, than my normal ones.
Because they're made with love.
Made with so much love and onion powder. Thank you guys for watching. Hope you enjoyed this, and let us know what you want to see me cook next while blindfolded.
I won't be able to help you as much, sorry. I'm gonna be like, go ahead.